Hello, my fellow Stoic community. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform your life? Let's dive deep into the art of Stoicism. The ancient Stoics believed in the art of discretion and the eloquence of silence. They recognized that not every thought or experience requires public disclosure. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus wisely said, there is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. With this profound insight guiding us, let's embark on a journey to uncover the 7 secrets that Stoicism urges us to keep private in our pursuit of wisdom and inner strength. Follow in the footsteps of Marcus Aurelius, the venerable Stoic philosopher and sovereign who imparted this timeless advice: guard your thoughts as fiercely as you guard your words. For even in the solitude of your own mind, let not the poison of self-deprecation take root. Embrace the silence that speaks volumes, for within it lies the key to preserving the precious treasures of self-confidence and mental well-being. 1. Refrain from speaking poorly about yourself. At the heart of Stoicism lies a powerful notion: eliminate self-critique at all costs. This principle, central to a philosophy celebrating resilience and adaptability, orders you to stay clear of any negative self-talk, be it whispered in the quiet recesses of your mind. Marcus Aurelius, the renowned Stoic philosopher and emperor of Rome, astutely cautioned against the dangers of expressing complaints, even in solitude. This Stoic insight acts as a protective barrier, safeguarding your self-assurance and mental wellness from harm. When you constantly entertain thoughts like, "I'm inadequate at this," or "I'll never progress," you're essentially eroding your self-esteem. These pessimistic self-evaluations can profoundly dampen your motivation and impede your personal development. To follow the Stoic wisdom, it's vital to be vigilant of your inner dialogue. Instead of belittling yourself, strive to reaffirm your potential and capabilities. Tell yourself, "I have the ability to achieve this, and if not immediately, I will eventually succeed." Embracing this optimistic and growth-focused mindset will fortify your self-assurance and resilience, aligning with the fundamental principles of Stoicism. 2. Avoid showing off self-improvement. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, provides insightful guidance on the path of self-betterment. He wisely advises that as we strive to enhance ourselves, we should do so with humility and discretion. This entails refraining from loudly boasting about our efforts and achievements to the world. Instead, we should allow our actions to speak as the true testament of our growth. Essentially, Epictetus says that self-improvement should be a personal voyage undertaken for our own betterment, rather than seeking applause or recognition from others. Constantly boasting about our progress can dilute the sincerity of our intentions and prematurely announcing our goals, which may inadvertently dampen our motivation and commitment. Epictetus urges us to heed the timeless wisdom that actions speak louder than words. In essence, the true measure of our self-improvement is not found in extravagant declarations, but rather in the tangible changes evident in our behavior, character, and mindset. Genuine growth is demonstrated through our deeds, how we treat others, the wisdom we share, and the virtues we embody. The key takeaway is that self-improvement thrives in silence and persistent pursuit. Instead of loudly announcing our intentions, we should dedicate ourselves to behind-the-scenes efforts, concentrating on our personal growth. In doing so, we enable our accomplishments to organically radiate and ignite inspiration in others. People tend to be more influenced and moved by the tangible enhancements they observe in us, rather than by mere words. Epictetus emphasizes that the journey to self-improvement is most effectively navigated with humility and modesty. We ought to allow our actions and outcomes to speak for themselves, as this is the most authentic and impactful method to inspire and influence those in our midst. 3. Practice moderation. Musonius, a prominent Stoic philosopher, imparts valuable wisdom on the importance of maintaining balance in all aspects of life, particularly in our eating and drinking habits. His teachings emphasize that excessive indulgence can result in detrimental outcomes, such as physical and mental burdens, and a quicker burnout. Stoic philosophy underscores the significance of discipline and self-control as fundamental keys to success, not only in our professional pursuits but also in the broader scope of our lives. This emphasizes that moderation isn't just a recommendation, but a crucial principle to embrace. Imagine a pendulum in motion. At one extreme, we find overindulgence characterized by excessive eating or drinking. This path may offer fleeting pleasure, but ultimately, it burdens both our physical and mental well-being. Overindulging, such as in overeating, can bring physical discomfort, health issues, and the mental anguish of guilt or regret. Similarly, excessive drinking can lead to impaired judgment and a loss of self-control. Conversely, extreme restraint or abstinence can be equally harmful, fostering feelings of deprivation, frustration, and paradoxically, even fueling a desire to overindulge later on. Musonius's wisdom urges us to find the middle ground, a balanced path where moderation reigns supreme. Rather than overindulging to the point of discomfort, we should savor our meals until we reach satisfaction. Rather than gulping drinks excessively, let's relish them in a way that enriches our experiences rather than hindering them. The Stoic philosophy exemplified by Musonius teaches us that moderation isn't solely about food and drink. It's a universal principle applicable to every facet of our lives. Through practicing moderation, we cultivate discipline and self-control, qualities not just beneficial, but essential for achieving success and maintaining harmony. Keep in mind that in the symphony of life, moderation acts as the conductor, orchestrating harmony among our actions and paving the way for a more enriching and balanced journey. 4. Embrace the art of listening. A very well-known philosopher known as the father of Stoicism shared a timeless nugget of wisdom that still applies to modern society. He carefully advised, "You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Listen more than you speak." This seemingly straightforward counsel carries profound significance, urging us to contemplate our modes of communication and interaction with others. In an age where the need for attention can be quite overwhelming, especially in the arenas of social media, meetings, and everyday conversations, Zeno's guidance resonates more than ever. Yet, amidst our fervent desire to express ourselves, we often overlook the profound significance of active and engaged listening. Listening, indeed, is an art that transcends mere silence. It's about wholeheartedly dedicating oneself to another's words, emotions, and subtle cues. When we listen intently, we bestow upon others a precious gift: respect. It signifies that we honor the speaker's thoughts, feelings, and experiences. In a world clamoring with noise, the ability to truly listen distinguishes us. It serves as a testament to our empathy and thoughtfulness. Listening serves as the foundation for forging meaningful connections. 5. Embrace the present moment. Within the depths of Stoic philosophy lies a profound teaching on the detriment of fixating too heavily on the future. Esteemed Stoic thinkers such as Epictetus cautioned against obsessing over matters beyond our grasp. Whether it's the uncertainty of future events, the weight of past occurrences, or the unpredictability of others' thoughts and actions, dwelling on these unchangeable facets of life serves only to sow seeds of needless anxiety and discontent. Epictetus, a towering figure in Stoic philosophy, discovered the pathway to true happiness, releasing our obsession on matters beyond our control. His renowned sayings echoes through the ages: "There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will." Let's unpack the essence of this Stoic wisdom. 1. Embrace the boundaries of your control. It's imperative to acknowledge that not every facet of life lies within our grasp. Certain events elude our control, regardless of the depth of our worry or concern. Take, for instance, external circumstances, the actions of others, or the ever-shifting sands of the future. You have absolute zero control over these circumstances. Shift your focus to the present moment, steering clear of dwelling on the past or succumbing to anxiety about the future. Stoicism guides us to center our attention on the here and now. Your ability to take action and make decisions is tethered to the present moment. By giving your best in the present, you wield the power to sculpt a brighter future. 2. Embrace the now. Rather than lingering in the past or fretting over the future, Stoicism teaches us to immerse ourselves in the present. It's in this moment that your ability to act and make choices flourishes. By pouring your energy into the present, you pave the way for a future brimming with positivity and promise. 3. Master your response. Stoics emphasize the art of taking control over your reactions and attitudes. While external events may elude your influence, your response to them remains firmly within your grasp. This mastery empowers you to find peace and contentment amidst life's swirling uncertainties. 4. Embrace uncertainty. Constantly obsessing over the unknown future is a guaranteed path to stress and anxiety. Stoicism offers a different perspective. Rather than resisting life's unpredictability, embrace it. By doing so, we alleviate mental burdens and cultivate greater tranquility. Stoic philosophy urges us to release excessive worries about the future and redirect our focus to what we can control. This shift in mindset can pave the way for increased happiness, resilience, and inner peace, a state of mind epitomized by the wise words of Epictetus. 6. Cultivate gratitude. In our interactions with others, the expression of gratitude, or its absence, plays a pivotal role. It's crucial to never convey a lack of appreciation, for life itself is an extraordinary gift, deserving of our profound gratitude. Every moment bestowed upon us is a precious opportunity to embrace with thankfulness. As the ancient philosopher Epictetus astutely observed, true wisdom lies in finding joy in what one possesses rather than lamenting what one lacks. This enduring insight reminds us to consistently recognize and appreciate the blessings present in our lives. In essence, being ungrateful boils down to failing to recognize or show appreciation for the positive aspects of our lives. It can manifest in various ways, from overlooking the kindness of others to taking our daily comforts for granted. Practicing gratitude is a means of acknowledging the goodness in our lives and the contributions of those who enhance our well-being. When we fail to express gratitude, we risk creating distance between ourselves and those around us. This tendency can result in confusion, emotional distress, and a tense social dynamic. Conversely, demonstrating gratitude nurtures healthy relationships and fosters an atmosphere where individuals feel respected and cherished. Thus, it's crucial to consistently prioritize gratitude in our interactions with others. Cultivating a mindset of appreciation for acts of kindness, opportunities, and blessings not only bolsters connections, but also enhances our personal well-being by acknowledging the beauty and positivity that envelops us. 1. Enhanced mental health. By refraining from complaints, you liberate your mind from fixating on problems and redirect your focus towards solutions. This shift can result in decreased stress levels, heightened emotional resilience, and a significant improvement in mental well-being. 2. Strengthened relationships. Positivity is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate it. By refraining from complaints, you can bolster your social bonds and cultivate deeper, more meaningful connections. 3. Enhanced productivity. Complaining tends to divert attention away from taking action. Yet, by redirecting your mindset towards seeking solutions and taking proactive steps, you unlock a fresh realm of productivity and efficiency in your endeavors. 4. Cultivating gratitude. Choosing not to complain prompts a shift towards gratitude for the blessings in your life. Recognizing and appreciating even the smallest positives can foster a deep sense of contentment and well-being. Tips for minimizing complaints. 1. Embrace mindfulness. Develop awareness of your thoughts and emotions. Mindfulness serves as a powerful tool to catch yourself before complaining and redirect your focus towards a more positive outlook. 2. Embrace problem solving. Instead of dwelling on problems, adopt a proactive approach by seeking solutions and taking decisive action when faced with challenges. 3. Cultivate gratitude. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine by acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life. This shift in perspective can lead to a more optimistic outlook and a deeper sense of fulfillment. By embracing a positive, solution-oriented mindset, you pave the way for a happier and more enriching life. As Marcus Aurelius once wisely remarked, the path to happiness resides within ourselves and our thoughts. Embracing Stoic principles offers a potent avenue to cultivate strength, wisdom, and inner tranquility in our lives. Among these principles lies the practice of selective silence, a deliberate choice of when to speak and when to remain silent. This discernment in communication holds the potential to significantly augment our personal development and deepen our connections with others. Stoicism gently reminds us that not every thought or emotion requires verbal expression. Just as some treasures are cherished when kept close to our hearts, certain thoughts and emotions are best held within, fostering profound introspection and personal growth. This internal dialogue serves as a priceless companion on our journey toward deeper self-awareness and understanding of the world around us. The Stoics recognize the wisdom in silence, viewing it as a potent teacher that allows us to attune more keenly to our inner thoughts, observe the world with clarity, and gain insights that might otherwise be lost amidst the clamor of constant chatter. By embracing selective silence, we cultivate intentionality and wisdom in navigating life's complexities, leading to a more meaningful existence. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment saying, "I live my life like a Stoic," to show you've stayed till the end. Farewell, my fellow Stoics, until our next encounter.